हर इंसान कुछ न कुछ सोचता है, महसूस करता है। कुछ अपने दिमाग और विचारों को खुलकर बता पाते हैं, कुछ अपने आप को व्यक्त करने से डरते हैं। मैं वेंकटेश बेडिगेरी आपके सामने इस मंच पर उपस्थित हूँ। डिटेल्स ऑफ डिवाइन टोटल हेल्थ थ्रू रिफाइनिंग एक्सरसाइजेस एंड रिदमिक ब्रीदिंग के विषय पर बात करने के लिए। वेलकम टू द शो कुछ कहना है। बिफोर वी बिगिन, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू द डियर पार्टिसिपेंट to sit straight, relaxed, to close your eyes and pray to the Creator to bless us with the best of health, the best of wealth and the best of happiness for a long, wonderful life ahead. Please, let's start now. Thank you. We will now start explaining the details of refining exercises. In the episode 1, we discussed that God exists. We also saw that the refining exercises are connected to God. Also, the rhythmic breathing, which is nothing but the breathing of a little child, is also connected to God, through which He sends medicine, divine medicine, which only He can send to heal us from the head to the toe. Having seen these basic things of rhythmic breathing and refining exercises, let us one by one explore the refining exercises. The first refining exercise is called the Swiso or the warm-up exercise. This exercise is vigorous. It has to be done standing up and it has to be done swinging your hands with systematic breathing. Breathing in, raising your hands, breathing out, swinging your hands down, blowing out from the mouth as you breathe out. Instead of using your nose for breathing out, we have to blow out the air when we are swinging our hands down. Here is the demo of this wonderful exercise.
Start. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3,
this exercise basically increases the blood circulation to all the cells of the body, and since it is done at the speed of newborn baby's breathing, which is gifted by the Lord, I like to think of this exercise as accessing the cells of the body by the divine power for keeping the blood circulation in top gear, so that the body is fresh for the next exercise. The next exercise is for the chest. What generally happens is, right from the time we get the ego in our life, we keep experiencing stresses, we keep experiencing things which don't happen the way we want it to happen, and this causes irritation, this causes frustration, this causes anger, and all this settles down, all these emotions settles down into our chest region. So each episode is adding to the distortion that is already present from the previous episode, and this cumulative effect increases to such a level at one point of time, usually during middle age, we start getting symptoms of disease which are connected with the chest region. It need not be only with old age, it can happen even at younger age, at the prime of our youth also. It all depends on what are the stresses we have gone through. Now, there is only one power on earth which can remove the damage that is stored in our chest from episode to episode, from experience to experience, and that is the Lord, who has sent us here and who has given us the baby's breath, which we maintain for the first 9 months of our life. So when we do this particular exercise for the chest region, by placing our hands like this and breathing at baby's breathing speed, I like to think of it that as if I have exposed the cells, the billions of cells in my chest region to God's scrutiny for His divine healing, for His divine medicine, and which makes my cells function again as if there is no disturbance in the cells, as if all the effects of the frustration, the anger, the irritation which has been stored here, the Lord has thrown them out of my system. This is what I personally think, and here is a demo of the chest exercise.
5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1.
Now we go to the stomach exercise. The third exercise is the stomach exercise. In this exercise, we sitting straight with the spine straight, place our hands in the middle of our tummy and we breathe as if we are little babies, just born babies, with the stomach at the same speed of breathing as that of a newborn baby. And by doing this exercise, I think that I'm opening the organs of the stomach to the scrutiny, to the x-rays of the Lord, who checks what are the defects in this part and who sends his only he who can send this divine medicine to the region of the stomach when we exercise at the same speed of breathing as that of a newborn baby. Basically, whenever we experience fear, any type of fear, maybe mild fear, maybe intense fear, maybe fear like when I am about to meet with an accident, that also is deep fear which goes deep into my stomach and distorts the cells in the stomach. And this, by doing this exercise, the Lord is sending his medicine to remove the distortion from the stomach, from all the cells, the billions of cells in the stomach, so that this region works as per his original design.
1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2.
We now come to the fourth exercise. In this exercise, we have to stretch our feet like this, flat, touch our toes with our head straight, spine straight, and breathing is at the same speed of breathing as that of a newborn baby. And the only difference is, instead of using only the chest or only the stomach, in this case we use both the chest and stomach for breathing in as well as for breathing out. With this exercise, what actually happens is the knees have a small movement which helps in lubrication of the knee joint. Also, the vertebrae, all the vertebrae of our backbone, right from here to the base, they are gently pumped in a particular way at the speed of breathing of the newborn baby, and this pumping action removes all the distortions and stresses which our body undergoes throughout the day when we do our work and when we sit or stand erect. So all the stresses in the backbone, in the joints, in all the joints, I think of as if these are opened to the scrutiny of the Lord again, and He scans these joints, and wherever there is any wear and tear, He sends His divine medicine to remove those wear and tear and make the joints as good as new. So here is a demo of the stretching exercise.
1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6 1 2 3 5 6.
The next exercise is the step breathing exercise. This is of course not based on newborn baby's breathing speed, but basically it's a variation, and that variation I'll explain to you. We have to place one hand on the chest, one hand on the tummy initially. Later on you can keep your hands on your knees, and in this relaxed position with the spine erect, we take 5 short breaths through the nose and breathe out forcefully through the mouth. Now imagine that I am taking one deep breath, at the end of which my chest as well as my tummy is filled up like this. This is one deep breath now. So I have shown you inhaling a deep breath and exhaling by blowing out from the mouth. Now this deep breath, which is inhaled in one step, I will split up into 5 short steps, at the end of which I will have my lungs and as well as my tummy filled with air, and then I will blow out forcefully from the mouth. Now that demo is visible here. So this was the step breathing exercise. Why we do this exercise? As we age, the blood flow to the brain keeps on decreasing. So the cells in the brain get disturbed. They get abnormal. They store unwanted chemicals. Okay. They lose the wanted nutrients. They become stuck and they cause disease of old age. Now, by doing this particular exercise, I like to think that the cells of the head, all the cells of the brain, they are exposed to God's scrutiny, and with the help of this scrutiny, He judges wherever there is any damage, and as before, His divine medicine, which only He can make and only He can send to us. So once that divine medicine from Him reaches this particular region, all the problems of this region are removed from the cells, making the cells work like new. So this is the purpose of doing the step breathing exercise, and here is the demo of the step breathing exercise, in which you can see that the demonstrator is not keeping his hands on the chest and stomach, but he has placed his hands on the knees.
1 2 3 4 5 out. 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 1 2 3 4 5 out.
Now we come to the next exercise, which is the square breathing exercise. It is called square breathing because the breathing pattern is not like the earlier exercise. we have to inhale into the chest and tummy gently for 5 full seconds. Hold the breath in the chest and tummy for the second 5 seconds. Then the third 5 seconds we gently breathe out through the nose, emptying the chest and tummy normally. And after this stage is over, the final stage is keeping the chest and tummy empty for the fourth 5 seconds. The purpose of doing this exercise is again to expose our blood gifted by the Lord at birth, to expose the blood in our body to His scrutiny, and He will find out wherever the unwanted organisms are invading into the bloodstream, into the body through the bloodstream, and He will send His medicine in, which is so powerful that when these unwanted organisms are in minute quantity itself, He will destroy them. That's what actually happens. And this exercise is therefore a very good immunity booster, with the help, of course, of the Divine Creator. And here is the demo of this particular exercise.
Breathe in. Hold the breath. Release the breath. Hold the breath out. Breathe in. Hold the breath. Release the breath. Hold the breath out. Breathe in. Hold the breath. Release the breath. Hold the breath out.
We now come to the seventh exercise, which is the gulping exercise. With the help of these 6 exercises, we have taken care of almost 95% of our human body. The remaining 5% or so is nothing but our endocrine system. The endocrine system is a group of glands connected to each other through the bloodstream and located in different parts of our body. These glands, they serve the purpose of controlling the levels of hormones, chemicals which are released in our body in trace amounts called hormones, which are vital for the health of our body. And the sad thing is, as we experience our emotional turbulence during the process of life, we actually sort of suppress these glands, and also the excitement of our lives. All these glands start malfunctioning, some at younger age, some at middle age, some at senior age, and result in ill health, which get treated by the doctor symptomatically. However, in this particular exercise, if we do this regularly on a daily basis for about 1 minute, I would like to share with you that it is the Lord who scans all these glands, and wherever the glands need repair or healing, He will make them work. All the glands, He will make them work as if new, and thereby our health is divinely cured or healed by the Lord. So what we have to do in this exercise is take a deep breath into the chest and tummy, block the nostrils by pinching it with your fingers like this, with your mouth closed, and bend the head bend only the head till the chin is digging tightly in the hollow of your throat, keeping the back straight. And in this position, nose blocked, mouth blocked. Try to, with the chest full, try to collect spit in the mouth by activating the saliva glands without opening the mouth. Swallow little amount once, twice. In the beginning, after 2 swallows, the glands dry up. No more saliva you will be able to collect. Doesn't matter. If that is the case, bring your head up, open the nose, breathe out through the nose, emptying your chest and tummy together. Actually, from a scientific point of view, what happens is, when we do this particular gulping exercise, a series of muscles are triggered right up to the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is the gland which controls the functions of all the glands in the body. And when this gland starts getting massaged because of the swallowing action, the blood flow increases to this, okay, and the gland starts becoming vibrant, and therefore this gland, once it becomes vibrant, signals to all the other glands become vibrant like me, and all the glands also start getting more nourishment because of the control of the pituitary gland, and the entire glandular system is strengthened, thereby releasing a lot of diseases like sinus problems, cold problems, hearing problems, and so on. So the demo of this exercise is here. Having said this, we are now going to explain a little bit about rhythmic breathing or newborn babies. Sorry, not even newborn babies. Newborn babies is different. The breathing of a newborn baby is different, entirely different from that of a little child. A little child from the age of 27 months up to from the age of 18 months up to 27 months, right? That is the pure age of no ego and pure, complete, natural, rhythmic breathing, which we are called upon in the holy books to maintain throughout our life. But unfortunately, that knowledge is lost. And a demo of rhythmic breathing, the complete breathing, is in this